Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ellen. So this is different than my usual watercolor tutorial situation. I'm going to talk about something that might not be so uplifting. About a year ago I posted a video about my dad, he's a fine artist, and how he has Alzheimer's. And we were trying to liquidate the paintings in his studio. We had a show, we had a sale, and we made a slight dent, but not enough. My dad was a prolific painter. He was amazing. He painted every day, basically. I mean, except for Sunday when he was like going to church, right? This is one of his beautiful paintings. This is not for sale, by the way. This is my son's painting. He took this one over. It looks like a Renoir, doesn't it? It's so pretty. The frame alone, I lifted this up. It's like on my couch right now to hang it. It's very heavy. So we're going through another humongous sale again. We have actually slashed all these prices that we had last time. Something like this would have gone for like $6,000. We have slashed all his paintings down to like hundreds of dollars so that we can liquidate the studio, so my mother doesn't have to keep paying for the studio because he's not there. And it's very sad. It's hard. My dad's in full-time memory care now. He still remembers us and we still spend time with him, but it's not the same. You can't do anything. You can't paint. You can't draw. He used to love to watch TV, movies. He doesn't even do that anymore. So it's very hard to watch him slowly deteriorate. I've seen his two siblings deteriorate, and it's very sad. So we're having this sale. You can click the link in my description. You can go on the website. You can see the paintings that are available. Shipping is not included, just to let you know that, because shipping is costly. But the paintings are slashed so much that it makes sense. You can reach out to the email listed in the website, and you leave your name, phone number, contact information, and they will get back to you. My brother and my niece are handling the emails, so if they don't get back to you right away, they will get back to you. I'm going to show you a bit of like some of his studio in the next couple of slides, but we've taken a lot of paintings off, and there's still some paintings left, and you can see some tidbits of the paintings in like the studio sense, and then you can click on the link below and see the actual paintings that are for sale. I just want to reach out to all my YouTube subscribers and people who watch my YouTube that if you're dealing with this also, I'm really sorry. It's very difficult. I know it's really hard. I know it's just very difficult. Like, again, I'm saying this again twice, because you watched your loved one who was so vibrant and alive slowly deteriorate, and it's the most horrible disease ever. And I'm like praying that one day they figure out a simple way to just stop it, right? Because it's getting worse and worse and worse, which we don't want to have. So I just want to reach out to you and say, I'm sorry if you're dealing with this. I'm just going to give you a little virtual hug if I can. And hopefully painting with me and doing some tutorials is helping you through any kind of hardships that you're going through. I know like it's a great release for myself, and traveling is a great release for myself, and all these things that we can do to just give some joy into our life. So if you're interested, check out some of the video I have shown here. You can see a tidbit of his studio. I did a bigger one last year. I can put that link in the description as well. That shows more of the things. A lot of those paintings are gone now, and his etching press was shipped up to Washington State to a lovely woman who's going to be using the etching press, which is great. So yeah, thank you for listening. And if you're interested in any of the paintings, click the link in the description box. And I hope you enjoy the painting that you purchase. I know I have a bunch of paintings around my house. We just got some rooms painted, so I haven't hung them up. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys for coming to my channel and listening. And it's an end of an era. It's definitely an end of an era, because he can no longer paint. And I think about myself, if that ever happens to me, what would that feel like? I don't know. Like an artist not painting, a singer not singing, writer not writing, all that kind of stuff. And it's just hard, right? But what are you going to do? So thank you for coming by my channel. Thank you for listening. And I hope you have a fantastic day, and take the time and space to enjoy every moment that you have. Take care, and I'll speak to you soon. So as you can see, this is one wall in the studio. Look at that sunflower painting. That frame alone is like a nice frame. So he's got still lifes, flowers, got abstracts, got sculptures. I don't know if the sculptures are on the sale. I think just the paintings are on the sale. These beautiful impressionistic style paintings of Italy, lots of coastal, some beautiful black and whites. There's so many great coastal ones in here. Look at that, the water lilies over there in the background. This is just one like little half of the studio. Here's some black and whites, some etchings there. There's some abstract, and there's a lot of paintings. Really cool. The birch tree. He's got a lot of birch tree paintings. So many paintings. I mean, this is like a small. This is one of my favorite paintings. This is a painting he did after 9/11. Look at that. There's just so many. So like I said, click the link in the description if you want to purchase one of the paintings. Look at the stacks and stacks of paintings we have. Tons of them. We still need to liquidate. So we have to empty out the studio. So thank you for listening and take care.